Hey everyone, I'm Paul Lemiski. This is my woodworking life, part 3 of our Sweden trip. This is our best vlog ever. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the video. Woo!
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, so we're still here at Logosol World Headquarters. Super excited. We're gonna have a timber sports demonstration right now with a rotary engine, 70 horsepower chainsaw. Huh?
74 horsepower.
74 horsepower. Chainsaw. Super excited. He's also got an axe with him. I think he said it was 700 euros. He's gonna do the old choppity. And then we're gonna follow that up with a product demonstration from the entire product line from Logosol. Super excited to see that. So let's go check it out.
So, in Germany, we say it's no alcohol, it's a meal. Yeah? We can drink it right now or in the afternoon, whatever you want. So, that's a rotary engineering. What I have to do is 3 cookies from normally 46 centimeter log. That's maybe 40. 1 down, 1 up, 1 down. We have 15 centimeter space for that. The cookies. Before I start, I have a warming from 60 seconds. Then I start the saw. I make the 3 cookies. My best time is 5.23. That was the world record for 2 years ago. Now it's the world record 5.20. Good. Please, ear protection.
More! The ladies want to see more! Hands on the wood. 3, 2, 1, go! New world record! Yeah.
For example, a 661. Much different, maybe.
A little different.
From 600 to 700 euro, and it's very.
It's sharp.
It's sharp.
Yes. No blood on the wood.
What I do right now, I chop this wood from 2 sides, from here and here. And I do that with a 4-hit technique. 2 hits of this side, 2 hits of this side, so it can fall out the chips. I work with this in the middle and then turn and finish the block, okay? Ah, scheiße, schon wieder kalt. I think I need a little bit more safety distance. I think that's better. Better for you?
You have drank too much beer last night?
Maybe.
Go Paul.
Okay.
Ready? So, I think we'll do it all. 3, 2, 1, go! Hey! Yay! Yay! Woo! Woo! Woo!
Oh my gosh. Insane.
So, I'm finished very much. Thank you very much. So, now I drink my beer.
have sponsored Robert for 10 years now. He's a very good communicator for Logosol around in the world, actually. Traveling around doing a lot of timber sport, a lot of cups, a lot of championships, different types, and doing shows. He's a good partner of us and a good friend. Actually, it looks, this is very, I know this because I tried this 5 years ago. I thought I can do it in 1 minute or 2 minutes because I know how to use an axe and I have used it a lot. So I tried it, but I stopped after 3.5 minutes. and I was a little bit on this side. So it's really, really, really hard. And a lot of practice. I know you practice. You can see, if you come here, you can see how he hit the incredible. It's very good. It looks so easy, but it's not.
Thank you.
Questions.
Thank you. Then it's time for product demos. So we split up in groups. Group 1, 2 with the bandsaw mills, 3, 4 with the chainsaw mills, 5, 6 with the planer molders. I guess we will do like 2 rotations and then there's a fika inside.
This is our range. It actually doesn't differ that much in functionality from the product we sell today, but it has been refined and tuned 30 years. Today it's bolted construction, so it's very easy to change parts if they are broken. It's not any welds. It's very easy to handle. It can be left out all year long. You can use it in the winter, in the summer. And you always add an extra click for the...
That is no problem. Yeah. You perhaps can get 10% or 7% more volume when you saw with the bandsaw, theoretically. But in practice, the band very often needs also 6 millimeters or more because it's going up and down a little. Strong.
You need the...
Man.
Oh, wow.
I'd say. That'll be fast to sharpen. Awesome. I want one.
When we designed these bandsaw mills, 2 years ago, we showed them for the first time. And then last year, we showed this B1001 for the first time. When we decided to design our own bandsaw mills, the reason to do that was that we had the experience from cutting logs for 25 years, and we had the experience from and the stories from so many customers cutting logs. So we thought that bandsaw mills, they've been around forever. We still thought that we can do it slightly different, a little bit smarter, a little bit more innovative, a little bit more sophisticated. That was our idea when we designed these mills.
Easy way to build this. It's just sheet metal parts, flat sheet metal parts, and this one in the middle with the ratchet is eccentric to take the locking procedure, and the outer cam is just to take the big difference for the log.
mostly we don't do color.
It's a cam and ratcheting system.
I like
love that.
The nice solid tables.
You adjust the height, you adjust the width. Yes.
And then
So smart, so easy.
So we'll still use a pocket.
What's its function?
It's so it won't get stuck on the if you don't have the roller.
Okay.
I'll show you. No, we cut a lot of logs.
No, I mean like by leaving the slabs on. Oh, sorry.
Oh, I see. Yeah, just at the very end sometimes.
Yeah.
But we'll listen for the motor.
Yeah.
Planer, moulders, planers.
Looks very new, the machine.
It's our own design. It's actually based on a previous machine that we had called the SH230, which we launched in 1994. It's a machine that's intended for a person owning a sawmill, a chainsaw mill, bandsaw mill.
It's a combination machine, so it works like a resaw, and it works like a thicknesser, and it works like a molder with a single-headed molder.
So in one operation, you can rip the correct width and the correct thickness, and then you get two surfaces that are, I mean, planed or square. Profile again, the same board. Turn it upside down.
I guess you'd always do the groove first.
Or it doesn't matter.
Okay.
I mean, now we ended with that pass, the last groove.
Okay.
So we started with that one. So now we'll just go ahead with the. And then of course, to be productive, you run everything through on one side, and then you switch. Oh, it fits! Woo!
Ready?
Wow. Gorgeous.
All right, everyone, that was super exciting for me. I love seeing all the different Logosol products. Super pumped about that wide slabber. Really interested about getting one. And now we're down here at a little bit of a tourist site. It was kind of neat. We got to drive through the countryside, so see some of the houses and all that. We're gonna have a little lunch here at the lake. Pretty excited for that. Stay tuned. My chariot has arrived.
There are no problems, there are solutions.
Down there to go.
Maybe we have to get it through there. I can have a nap even on the way.
And you know when you're dreaming.
It's fika. This is what I'm talking about in lake fishing.
North of me, like 2 hours is like this.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's like
What do you guys think?
lakes and lakes and lakes and rocks and trees.
Hey, what do you guys think?
It's beautiful, man. It's like Northern Ontario.
Yeah.
Right? It's like Muskokas.
It is not like Texas.
No way. Although it's like cottages everywhere.
That is the cool thing, though. So they have so much water. That's probably why that lake house is
They're
cheap.
Yeah.
Because there's so much availability to have property on a lake because there's so much like
Right.
small little lakes everywhere.
Going up to that place.
No, we're not.
Food?
Fuck, man. Time to eat. You actually have to walk.
Yeah, a little bit. My chariot, I left it, parked it.
Yeah.
Parked it.
Nice.
My number of friends should increase. I think about things I've done. I don't lie to no one.
And I actually got to the party.
When I try to open up my heart, there's something inside me and I know it's good. But understanding is misunderstood. At the end of this month, there's a life behind. But I became honest, Mr. Mistaken. In spite of the curves, my smile was fading. Barbara and Dickens, they one big street. I grew up in a life-size pinball machine. Yeah, that's me. 'Cause it's so hard to meet the eyes that I see when I try to open up my heart.
All right, we just had lunch here at this beautiful lake. It's just beautiful. The food was delicious. It was like a traditional Swedish type food. We've noticed they do not eat a lot of meat around here. And of course, we had a little coffee. They have coffee everywhere, and it's fantastic. I'm gonna get back on my trolley because my horse is taken off. Let's head back.
So cold.
Cold fingers. Yeah.
Yep.
I'm getting on
Det
the
är
chariot.
faktiskt, jag kommer inte över det. Men det gör så pass. Men det gör så pass.
You have something to drink?
Oh yeah, I got.
This is a live stream now.
We got
on
here?
YouTube.
Owner and operator of Cannon Bar Works, and we make a very bold claim. The best bar, bar none.
When we talk about small-scale drying, we have less volume. We have most often only one species at the same time we're drying, and so on. So based on that model, we decided to design an app. So we think that with this new program, we can reach out to a lot of sawmillers around the world. Think about how many sawmillers that doesn't really, they just air dry their wood, and they would love something like this. So super excited about this, and super good job by the team. And Per, he's not here, but he's our programmer. He's been doing really good doing this. And then Anna, of course. So she did everything of this. We developed everything in-house.
So try it out. Give Anna feedback if you have questions about how and why to do things the way we do. Would be great to have some input on the user interface and everything.
Thank you so much, everyone, for spending these 2 days with us. Super happy with that. You can now go back to the hotel, get some rest, get a shower or something, some of you. Kidding. And then we'll be back here at 6 o'clock for eat and drink high coast in our showroom and at the office. Oh, and there's fika outside. Before you leave, there's a very nice fika in the showroom. Just take some fika before you go. If you leave anything here, it will go in the trash can, so bring everything.
So we're wrapping up 2 days here of some product training and meeting the whole family behind the Logosol brand. What I'm going to say is family is really what stuck with me. They're such a tight-knit community with everyone here. It's been so awesome meeting everybody. We have a special gift that we're going to give to the Logosol team right now.
For true dedication and outstanding achievements. There's a team, a Logosol team. I give you some figures. 2016 to 18, they grew sales with 33%. 18 to 19, they've been growing with 47%.
Wow.
This means that from 16 to 19, they've been growing with 250% in turnover. We prepared a very special gift for the Logosol in Bad Salgau, Germany. I've been working with Logosol for 10 years. Henki, you've been working with Logosol for?
I started in Germany for 20 years. I worked here for a couple of years. I suppose 23. They like it when it's fabulous, marvelous what's here happening. I think we are building an energy this year that would go like this. Bengt Olof.
Have a nice evening.
Have a nice evening.
Well, oh, we have a gift too. We have a gift too. We want to say...
To Henke.
No, from Sebastian and I, we want to say thank you to the whole Logosol team. And it's been amazing meeting everybody here. And we've been inspired by all the influencers and all the hard work. And Steve asked me in an interview earlier, one word to take away from what the experience we've had here, and that's really family. And we feel the family that you have here at this company, and we really want to thank you for having us here. So we brought you this nice piece of Canadian maple.
Ooh, wow, look at this. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And we have a couple shirts for you.
Nice, thanks.
Thank you.
So good to have you here.
Perfect timing.
Exactly how you hear it is exactly how it all went down. It was later in the evening that the facts and the figures got turned around. The truth was a woman, yes, she did advance my way. And I can't be sure exactly, but I swear I saw her say my name. It was the right time, it was the real thing. I had to walk away. Don't wanna be a stitch up out of my mind, feeling strung out, lagging behind, trapped in. I can't do a thing because I'm locked out. The stitched up, feeling the burn, strung out. I finally learned that I trapped in. I can't do a thing because I'm locked out. I wonder where she came from. I wonder where she gotta go. Who's to say she's
That was a jam-packed vlog. You've reached the end of it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope we can really convey the good time that we had in Sweden. We do have 2 more vlogs still coming about our trip, so I hope you really enjoy that. Big, huge, massive shout out to Logosol, amazing company for inviting us, flying us over there, hosting us, feeding us, keeping us jacked up on coffee the entire time and sweets. Ooh, mwah, fantastic. Don't get me started on the beer. There wasn't enough of it. That's a total joke. There was beer everywhere. It was fantastic. I think the Germans had a little something to do with that. But man, I really hope you guys enjoyed that. We had such a fun time, and I think Sebastian did a great job editing it all. The music was good, the shots were good, and we got to fly our drone legally, which is awesome. So I really hope you tune in for the next 2 in the series. So I really hope you enjoyed that as much as us. We have 2 more in the Sweden series, 1 more vlog, and we have my live speech that I did as a demonstration at the conference. So I really hope you enjoy them. Thank you again for tuning in. You gotta smash that like button. If you like this vlog, smash it. And if you didn't, off with you. But you watched it to the end, so thank you. Everyone, make it a great one.